Do you know that you can create your business logo for free? No need to spend money on hiring a graphics designer when you can do it on your own in a few minutes. These 7 logo designing websites allow you to create a logo for absolutely free. Number 1, Canva. So let's begin with Canva's free logo maker. It's as simple as using a Canva template. You click on Create a Logo, which will direct you to the editor. You'll see so many templates on the left. Just select the one you like and edit the template to enter the name of your business. If you want to add more elements or text, just do so from the editing panel. It's nothing different than a regular Canva image. Once done, click on Share, then Download, and finally click the blue Download button. Your logo will be ready in under a minute. Number 2, free logo design. Unlike Canva, you don't choose the template first. First, you add the text and then select a template generated with your text. You can customize the selected template by changing the font, size, and color, or adding more shapes and icons. You will see a watermark while editing, but don't worry, it will go away when you download the file. When you click on Download, you will be redirected to a pricing page. Click on the Download button under the free plan. A low-resolution logo will be downloaded. Number 3, Adobe Express Logo Maker. Now, this tool is still in its beta testing stage, so you might not get prompt results, but it has a lot of potential. First, you need to add your business name, select the industry, and use a slogan if you want. Next, select a style that resonates with your brand. Choose an icon that's most suitable, and then select a design from the available templates. In a matter of minutes, you'll have your custom logo ready. The editing options are limited to color and font right now. Click on Download when you are satisfied with your design. Number 4, Logo.com. By entering a few simple details, you can create a free logo within minutes. Start by entering the name of your business, a slogan if you have one, your industry, and relevant keywords. You'll get a number of different logo designs. Pick any that you like. You can edit this logo by changing its color, font, or icons. Add an element if needed. You can download the logo with different backgrounds or no background for free. Number 5, Ideogram.AI. To create a logo, you need to enter a prompt in the text box. You can use AI writing tools to generate and paste the prompt here. I have a separate video on this, so check the link in the description. The tool will take around 15 seconds to generate a few options. Select the one that's most relevant. You can also edit this logo with a paid plan. But with the free version, there's no editing option. You can directly download the logo for 20 prompts a day. Paid plans start at $7 a month. Number 6, Shopify. I know it's a famous e-commerce platform, but it has launched a logo maker tool of its own. And honestly, I'm impressed. I wasn't expecting such good quality and multiple options. You can select your industry and visual style to customize the logo as per your preferences. You get a lot of options to choose from. Editing options are limited only to font and colors. Click on Next and download when done. Shopify will send you a copy of your logo with multiple social media formats on your email. Download the zip file from the email and extract the logos. This one is for a YouTube profile picture. Number 7, Microsoft Copilot. You can use this for free only if you have a Microsoft account. Launch the Copilot on your Windows laptop and enter a logo prompt. You can even ask the Copilot to generate the prompt. You will see a few suggestions in a few seconds. Choose the most suitable suggestion and edit it using the designer tool. There, you will also see a bunch of other options with the same design. You can add more elements and text as needed, or edit the image by removing the background. When done, click on Download. The final result looks something like this. With these free websites, you can create unique and interesting logos for free. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and share. Subscribe for more such amazing recommendations.